Uh, Now, what is average? Average is simply equitable distribution. Equitable distribution, what does it mean? It means if suppose I have 100 rupees and there are 5 children and I want to distribute 100 rupees among 5 children equally, or say equitable distribution. Then how I can do it? I can give 20 rupees, 20 rupees, 20 rupees, 20 rupees and 20 rupees to all the 5 children. So each children gets equal amount of money, that is 20 rupees. Suppose if you add 20, 20, 20, 20 and 20, as there are 5 children and I have 100 rupees and total comes out to be 100. So 100 is distributed equally among 5 children. So this is an example of equitable distribution. So average is 20 rupees. Average is 20 rupees. How? From here we can get as average is sum of observation divided by number of observation or total values. As there are, how many children are there? There are 5 children and sum. When I take sum of these 5 values, I will get as 100. On dividing 100 with 5, I will get 20. So average in this case is 20. I hope it is clear to you. Let's go on to another example that would make the idea more clearer. Let us say there is a family which has a dad, there is a mom, there is a son, there is a daughter. Let us suppose that dad has 100 rupees, mom has 200 rupees, son has 25 rupees, whereas daughter has 75 rupees. Now what to do? Now what should we do first? Let us say if we take a box and collect all this money in the box, then how much money would be in the box? It will be 100 rupees plus 200 rupees plus 25 rupees plus 75 rupees. It comes out to be 400 rupees. And we know the formula for average is sum divided by total number of observations. Here sum total is 400 and total number of family members are 4. When I divide 400 with 4, I will get 100 rupees. So dad will get 100 rupees, mother will get 100 rupees, son will get 100 rupees, daughter will get 100 rupees. So this 100 rupees comes out to be the average, because 400 divided by 4 is 100. Since there are 4 members, 400 is the total amount of money and 4 is nothing but total number of family members. So 100 rupees each. So each one must get 100 rupees. So son get 100 rupees, daughter get 100 rupees. All 4 of them have received equal amount of 100 rupees. So this is nothing but average. This is nothing but average. Average is equitable distribution. So the average amount with each person would be 100. Now, did you see how did we calculate this 100 value? We simply added all the monies with each of the person. This becomes the sum and we divide it with the total number of person. This is nothing but the formula for the average. Average is nothing but the sum of all the observations. Observation means sum of all these values and divided by total number of values or total family members. Here there are 4 members, dad, then there is a mother, then there is a son, then there is a daughter. So right now here we have 4 total members. So total value is 4 and sum. Sum means how much value does each one of them have. Dad has 100, mother has 200, son has 25, daughter has 75. So addition would be 400. So average comes out to be 100. What did this 100? 100 mean on an average, if we calculate the average, average amount of money with each person. Then it comes out to be 100 rupees. So this 100, this is average amount of money with each person in the family. See how easily we calculated average. Just add all the values. That is nothing but the sum and divided by total number of values. So how to remember average formula? Average is nothing but sum upon total. This is the only thing you should remember. And this will solve all the sums related to average. There is nothing to it. Average means equitable distribution, and average is nothing but add everything divided by total number of members or total number of things. Now if they say there is a batsman, he has played say 20 matches, and in each match he has scored some runs, and total number of runs which he has scored is say 750. So this sum which is their addition of each match, that we already have 750, and total number of matches we already have 20. So what would be average of batsmen? What you will do? 750. Simply divide 750 by 20. On division, you will get 37.5. That is 37.5 runs per match. That becomes the average of the batsman. Cricket innings or anything. These are also favorite types of sums which are asked in averages. So just remember, average is equitable distribution and average is nothing but sum divided by total. This is very easy formula. We will see how to apply it in all the sums, and once you will go through this video entirely, you will be very much confident regarding average sums, and you will be able to solve all the types of average sums. Now after this, what you should remember is very small concept, and that is nothing but total sum or sum. What it is? See, average is total sum divided by total values. On cross multiplicating, you will get total sum equals to average multiply by total number of values, total number of observation, or total number of family members. Then what is total sum? So total sum is nothing but sum equals to average into total. This is nothing but total sum. See how easy it is. This concept will help you solve almost 80% of averages sum, because most of the sums that are asked nowadays exams are easily solvable through this total sum concept. Now see question number 1. Knowing that Vijay's expenditure for first 3 days is rupees 100, means for first day it is 100, for second day 125, and rupees 85 for third day. Means what is fourth day expenditure? This we have to find out. As his 4 days average expenditure is rupees 90. Average expenditure is given to us. First day expenditure is given, second day expenditure is given, third day expenditure is given. Now we know average is nothing but average is sum divided by total number of observation. This is the formula. Now what is the exactly total? Total is nothing but the total number of observation. Here they have given that 4 days average and first day expenditure they have given. We have to find second day first 3 days expenditure they have given, and we have to find the fourth day expenditure. So total number of days are nothing but 4. It is given to us. So average would be sum upon 4. Average would be sum upon 4. And what is sum? Sum is total number of expenditure of 4 days. First day expenditure is 100. Second day expenditure is 125. Third day expenditure is 85. Fourth day expenditure, it is unknown as it is not given to us. And here it is 4. But average expenditure of 4 days is given to us, it is 90. So on cross multiplying, what we will get? Now 100 plus 125 plus 85. It is 310 plus question mark divided by 4 equals to 90. On simplifying, 310 plus question mark equals to 90 into 4. 9 into 4, 36. It is 360. So what is the value of question mark? It is 360 minus 310. As it is positive on left hand side, it will become negative when we take it on right hand side. 360 minus 310, it is 50. So fourth day expenditure is 50. See how easy it is with the help of average formula. Now so on fourth day, Vijay spent rupees 50 only. See how easily with the formula and basic concept of addition we solve the numerical. Now moving on to next question. Now next question is, what will be the average price of all the goods bought if Ajay buys 30 erasers for rupees 3 each? Means cost of one eraser is 3 rupees and he buys 30 erasers. 35 chocolates for rupees 10 each. Means cost of one chocolate is rupees 10 and he buys total 35 chocolates and 25 clips at the rate of rupees 4 each. Means cost of one clip is 4 rupees and he buy total 25 clips. Now over here again, what we see, this is very easy. Average is nothing but sum upon total. Now what total number of observations? What is this total number? Total number is nothing but the total amount of goods bought. What did he buy? He bought 30 erasers, 35 chocolates, 25 clips. So what is the total? So what is the total over here? Total is 30 erasers plus 35 chocolates and 25 clips. 5, 5, 10, 3, 6, 3, 9. So T is total is 90 articles. 90 total, 90 articles he buy. So the value of T comes out to be 90 over here. We have one element that is T, which is given. Now what we need to find? The sum of everything. Now what is sum? S means this has to be price, the cost. Then only we have average cost over here. Now how much total money did Ajay spend? How to find it? Very easy. See how. Cost of, he buys 30 eraser for rupees 3 each. Means cost of one eraser. It is given to us as rupees 3. Cost of one eraser 3 rupees. So cost of 30 erasers. We know if cost of one eraser is 3 rupees, then cost of 30 erasers is 30 into 3. It will be 90 rupees. Now it is given to us as cost of one chocolate. Cost of one chocolate. It is rupees 10. So how much chocolates he buy? 35. So cost of 35 chocolates. Cost of 35 chocolates. It must be 35 into 10. It will come out to be 350 rupees. Now it is given to us as cost of one clip. Cost of one clip. It is given to us as rupees 4. 4 rupees. And he buy total 25 clips. So cost of 25 clips is 25 into 4. It is 100. So 100 rupees. So what will be the value of sum? Value of sum will be 90 plus 350 plus 100. 350 plus 100, 450, 450 and 100, it is 550 minus 10, 540 rupees, 540. Now we know the formula for average. Average is sum divided by total. Sum is, it is 540. 540 divided by total values is 90. On dividing 6. So average of each article is rupees 6. It comes out to be 6. Average price of all the goods bought is 6 rupees. See, whenever we have to use the average formula, just find two elements, the sum and the total number of goods or total number of family members. You will never have the amount or total price in the denominator. As total number of observation, that would always be in the numerator. Again, the runs scored by the batsman is in the numerator, but the innings played, matches played, that is, it would be in the denominator. Always remember that we just need to find the sum and total number of observation and put it in the formula of average. Now moving on to next question. Now question number 3. On the 20 cycles sold by Ajay, average cost of 12 cycle is rupees 18,000. So out of 20 cycles, first he made group of 12 cycles, he sold it and its average cost is rupees 18,000. In total he earned, total means from 20 cycles he earned rupees 3 lakh. What was the average cost of remaining cycle? Remaining cycles means out of 20 cycles, first he sold 12 cycles and 8 will be the remaining cycles, and we have to find the average cost of remaining 8 cycles, as average cost of 12 cycles is already given to us. We know this is average sum. Average is nothing but sum divided by total. Now we know total. Total Ajay sold 20 cycle. So we know total is 20. But problem here is we don't know individual price of cycle. What price did Ajay sold? Ajay sell each of the cycle. So finding total sum over here becomes little bit difficult. But if you look carefully, we can simply use another way to find total sum, which we have learned at the start. Sum is nothing but average into total. Now we know average for 20 cycles. It is given to us in the statement. No, we don't know, but we know average cost of 12 cycles. Average cost of 12 cycles given to us as rupees 18,000 in the first statement. So let us calculate over here for 12 cycle. Average cost is 18,000. What does that mean? That means Ajay sold some cycles and collected some money. So how much total money he earned for these 12 cycles? We know sum equals to average into total. Here average is 18,000 and 18,000 is for 12 cycles. 18,000 is for 12 cycles. So sum for 12 cycles will be multiply 18 with 12. On multiplication 18,000 with 12, you will get 2,16,000. 2,16,000. And it is also given to us as he earned rupees 3 lakh in total. In total means sum for 20 cycles. It is 3 lakh. And we want to find the average cost of remaining 8 cycles. For it, we want sum of 8 cycles. Sum of 8 cycle will be sum of 20 cycles minus sum of 12 cycles, means 3 lakh minus 2,16,000. On subtracting, we will get 84,000. So sum of 8 cycles, remaining 8 cycles, we have find out, and we know formula for average of 8 cycles. It will be S8 divided by 8. So it will be 84,000 divided by 8. So average for remaining 8 cycle will be 10,500 rupees. This is average cost of remaining cycle. This is answer. Look, we will go through it once again. This is very, very easy. You might feel that this is confusing or something like that, but it is not very easy. Take a look on it, because once you understand this concept over here, you can use it very easily in the other sums, because this is very useful. Now what happens is that Ajay has 20 cycles. Out of that, he first sell 12 cycles and he gets some money. And when he calculates, he realizes that these 12 cycles, whatever he has earned from these 12 cycles on an average for these 12 cycles, for each cycle he has received 18,000 rupees on an average. He might have sold one cycle for say 20,000, other cycle say 11,000 only. But when he calculated the average, that average comes out to be 18,000 for Ajay for these 12 cycles only. Then Ajay also sell remaining 8 cycles, and in total Ajay earns rupees 3 lakh. We know average is total sum upon total number of cycle. We know total number of cycle is 20, but we don't know